Ryan the wrecking ball crane is smashing an old wall at the construction site today. And here comes Rick the road roller. I don't think he's looking where he's going. Look out, Rick! Uh-oh. Too late. Ooh, what a nasty smash. The mechanicals are getting the garage ready for our poorly friend, Rick the road roller. Rick carries a big heavy drum in front of him, which he uses to flatten roads. That makes them nice and smooth. Rick's drum should be a cylinder shape, but that smash from Ryan has made it go all wonky. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Hello, Rick. Wow, you really do have a problem today. Your drum is all broken and twisted. I think it needs replacing. Let's fit you a new one. Oh, Rick, what a mess you've got yourself in. Your drum's all twisted, and now it won't spin. We'll find a nice new drum just for you. Let's fix you up. There, good as new. That new drum doesn't look like the old cylinder. I think that's a sphere. A sphere is different from a circle. A circle is round and flat. A sphere is round, but solid, just like a ball. Let's test it out. I don't think this sphere is the right shape for Rick's drum. It's making Rick all dizzy and confused. Let's go back inside and try again. Don't worry, Rick, no need to fear. The mechs will soon replace that sphere. Swap out the drum and look at that. A cylinder whose sides are flat. Oh dear, mechanicals. That's not a cylinder shape. It's a cuboid. A cylinder has to be round. Rick can't roll a road using a shape with flat sides. All that thumping is giving Rick a headache. Now the mechs know what to avoid. Drums that are spherical or cuboid. What's this drum they're trying to wrangle? I don't like the look of that triangle. That triangular prism isn't right either. Mechanicals, are you trying to make Rick crash? Oops, too late. There we go. That's a cylinder, and it fits just right. The rounded shape is perfect for Rick to move around on and roll things flat. Rick, if you wouldn't mind just smoothing out the damage to the car park before you head off, that would be much appreciated. Let's hope you won't be needing a new cylinder anytime soon, Rick. We need you out there rolling our roads. Thanks for helping me out today at Gecko's garage. Join me next time when we help another vehicle in need. For now, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!